the drawings. Hello friends, Ava here. Welcome to our channel for another beautiful drawing. Today we will learn and draw an important part of our body. She is responsible for talking, eating, drinking, and smiling. Do you know what part this is? You got it right. It's a beautiful mouth. Have you got your pencil and paper? Let's get started. Now get ready and let's go. Let's go around our mouth step by step very slowly. Let's start the contour of our mouth by the lip from top right to left. Let's draw the lip line from the corner up step by step very slowly. Reaching the center of the mouth, we draw the line to the left corner of the mouth. That's it, very well. Now let's draw 3 lines to close the upper lip of our mouth. The first line goes to the left corner. The second line goes to the right side. And to finish, we draw the line to close the lip in the right corner where we started. I left some marks on the line to complete later. Very well. It was very easy so far. Now let's go to the bottom of our mouth. Let's draw the bottom lip with a very long line from right to left, making a complete curve. The contour of our mouth is already beginning to appear. Yes, very well. Now let's draw the teeth of our mouth according to the model above. We draw the line of each tooth step by step very slowly. Don't forget to also take care of your mouth by brushing your teeth, flossing, and visiting your dentist regularly. We also draw the line that marks the middle of the tongue of our little mouth. Wow! It was perfect! To finish our contour, we draw the line from inside the lower lip. This line forms a curve a little smaller than the first one we've done. A curiosity about the mouth is that it is composed of several muscles. These muscles work together to allow people to talk, eat, and smile. Notice that this lip line is the same line as the tongue outline. Wow! Have we finished our mouth contour? She was beautiful. If you are enjoying the mouth drawing so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. That's great! You've seen how drawing a cute mouth easy step by step very slowly is a lot of fun. Now, shall we paint? It's time to color the drawing of our mouth. Our mouth and lips will be very colorful and cheerful. I have already separated the 2 colors that we will use to paint our little mouth. To begin our painting, we will use the red color to paint the lips of our mouth. We start by painting the upper lip from right to left. We also painted the right corner. To complete, we painted up. Yes, very well. Now we will paint the lower lip from right to left. Keep painting very slowly. Pay attention to the curves and details to make a nice painting. Keep painting very slowly. Yes, very well. Have we finished the red lips? It's getting very good. To finish our painting, we will use the pink color to paint all the tongue of our fluffy mouth. We start by painting the tongue by the rounded outline at the bottom. We paint the curve from right to left and go back step by step. Pay attention to the curves to make a nice painting. Keep painting very slowly until the end of the tongue. Very well. Wow. Our mouth is already complete? Friends, our drawing of lips and mouth was wonderful. It is a very colorful and happy design. Drawing and painting a cute mouth with me was a really cool way to learn. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thank you for drawing this cute little mouth with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new designs. I will always bring new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon. Drawing with Ava.